Okay, I just wanted to kind of go over the different verbs that you have in U4A just because there's a little bit of everything. Okay, and I wanted to make sure that you can keep them straight. Now, stem changers, we already talked about these. You have the old one that you already knew, which is the shoe verb tener, which means to have. Preferir, to prefer, which is a boot, same as querer, which is to want, also a boot. All three of these have an E to IE stem change. Okay. Now there are two conjugations that you will see in the vocab, and it says puedo and puedes. Okay. What I want you to know about those two is that these are actual conjugations from this infinitive poder. Poder means to be able to or to can. This is what you always use to ask me when you go to the restroom. Okay, you say, puedo ir al baño. Now, this one is a stem changer, but it's O to UE. You are not responsible for knowing the whole conjugation in this chapter. I just didn't want to give you a different one to confuse you with these, but you just need to know this is vocab. Puedo is I can. Puedes is you can for a to form. Okay, now, so those are the stem changers. Then you have another irregular, which is hacer. The only thing that you need to know about hacer that makes it an oddball is that it is a go verb. Hacer means to do or to make. I'm going to conjugate it for you so you can see it. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. As you can see, it has regular o, es, e, hemos, es, en, er endings, but it's an oddball because there's a go in the yo. Okay, so that is the only reason that this guy is irregular. Everything else is normal. Okay, and then look at all your regulars. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and then you also have 2 ERs, which is comer and beber, which these are probably the two major verbs also of this chapter. Comer is to eat, beber is to drink, okay? And these are regular ER verbs. You have no regular IR verbs. The only IR in the whole chapter was preferir. Then these are all just AR. Cocinar, to cook, preparar, to prepare, mezclar, to mix. Tomar is another way of saying to drink. Some people use tomar or beber. You can interchange them. And then cortar is also a regular AR verb. And that's it. Those are all the verbs for the chapter.